Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 6 math. You can find all the lessons on you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 6 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter divide fractions. The lessons we're going to cover today are divide fractions and mixed numbers, divide fractions and big number word problems, divide whole numbers by unit fractions using model, divide fractions by whole numbers. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Math, let's just start with the lesson divide fractions and mixed. Okay, let's just start with the lesson divide fractions and whole numbers. So let's just start with the test questions. So 1 whole 3 by 10 divided by 1 whole 5 over 8. First thing you need to do is convert them to improper fraction, right? So 1 whole 3 by 10, how do you do? That is 1 whole 3 over 10. Then you need to add 3, right? So that is 10 times 13 over 10. The second one is 1 whole 5 over 8. You have to multiply the whole number times denominator. 1 times 8 plus 5 over 8, that is 8, and 5, 13 over 8. Now we need to convert that division sign to multiplication sign and reciprocal the term, so that is 8 over 13. 13 times 1 is 13. I have 8 over 10. Divide them by their greatest common factor, that is 2. So 2 times 3 is the correct option, not 2 option. 3 is the correct option. So option 2 is the correct option. 3 by 5 it is. Oh yeah, 4 by 3 by 5, sorry. 2 divided by 1 whole 1 over 5. So we have 2 divided by 5 times 5 and 1, 6 over 5. So replace the division side with multiplication and reciprocal. 2 times 3 is 6. So 5 by 3 it is. Just divide by 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 5 take out that is 1 whole 2 over 3 is the correct option. That is 1 whole 2 over 3. 1 whole 2 by 3 it is. Option 2 is the correct option. 1 whole 1 by 6 divided by 7 over 8. Convert it into improper fractions. 6 times 1 is 6 and 1. 7 over 6 divided by 7 over 8. So division, we are left with 8 over 2. Common greatest common factor, that is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. So we just have to. So that is 1 whole 1 over 3. Option number 3 is the answers. Please don't guess. Use your notebook and pencil. Why don't you guys use your notebook and pencil? Option 3 is the correct option. 1 whole 1 is. 1 whole 3 by 5 divided by 2. So 5 times 1 is 5 and 6. 8 over 2. 6 over 5, right? So just 2 times 3 is 6. 5 times 1 is 5 and 3, 8. That is 8. So 2 times 4 is 8. That is 4 by 5. Option 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson. Let's more examples. 1 by 3 divided by 1 whole 1 over 9. So that 1 whole 1 over 9 is equal to 9 times 1 is 9 and replace the division sign and that with 3 out. That is 2 over 10 option. Correct option. 2 by 10 it is. That is 2 over 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. 1 by 2 divided by 1 whole 1 over 6. So 1 over 2. Convert this 1 whole 1 by 6 to impotence. 1 is 6 and 7 over 6 times 6 over 7. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6, equals 3 by 7. Option number 3 is the correct option. 3 by 7 it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Divide fractions and mixed numbers. What problems? What problems you have to start with the lesson, that is divide whole numbers. Divide. Use the model to help you. 1 divided by 1 by 3. So basically you are given 1, right? 1 over 3 means you need to divide this, right? 1 out of 3. You divide it into 3 parts. Each part is 1 by 3, by 3 and 1 by 3. So 1 divided by 1 by 3 equals let's just start with the test questions. Divide. Use the model to help you. 1 divided by 1 by 5. So 1 divided by 1 by 5 means you need to divide this. We have this one. You have to divide this one into so each portion is 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5, and 1 by 5, right? Basically, that is 1 divided by 1 over. That means they have 5. The correct divide, the answer is 5. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So option number 1 is the correct option. That is 5. So 1 divided by 1 by 5 is 5. Option number is the correct option. Divide 1 divided by 1 by 4. Divide this 1 into 4 equal parts. So when you divide into 4 equal parts, they are 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, and 1 by 4. Got it? So 1 divided by 1 by 4 is 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. Divide 1 divided by 1 by 2. So 1 divided by 1 by 2 equals 1 divided by 1 by 2 means you need to divide this figure into two equal parts, right? So 1 divided by 1 by 2 makes how many parts? Dividing 1 by 2 into 1 into 1 by 2 makes two parts. The correct option is 2. Got it? Divide 1 divided by 1 by 6. 1 divided by 1 by 6 means you need to divide 1 into 1 by 6. 1 by 6 means you have to divide into 6 equal portions, right? So when you divide 1 into 1 by 6 portions, how many portions do we have? Yes, 6 it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is divide 1 divided by 1 by 3. So 1 divided by 1 by 3 equals how many options do we have? That is 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can lead the lesson by yours today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is divide fractions by whole. whole numbers in shoes in recipes. I'm going to start with the test questions. The quantity of the artichoke you need to make a pizza, you need to make a half recipe. What quantity of artichoke would you need to make a half recipe? So you are going to make the half recipe. So in the given recipe, even the in the given, you are going to do the half recipe. So divide it. Or you're going to do it into the half. So you divide this by two, right? So you have to do 1 by 2 times 1 by 2. So the correct option is 1 by 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 1/4 it is. What quantity of butter would you need to make a third of the original recipe? So you are going to make a third of recipe, right? So in the given recipe, the butter is used 3/4 cup divided by the 3, right? Place the division sign with multiplication and rest. 3 and 3 cancel out. We are left with 1 over 1 by 4th. So the correct option is 1 over 4. What quantity of garlic would you need to make a third of the original recipe? So the garlic is used half teaspoon, right? So because third of the recipe divided by the 3. That is 1 over 2. Replace the division sign with multiplication. That is 1 over 6. That is 1 by 6. What quantity of chives would you need to make a half recipe? So we are given the 3 by 4 teaspoon of the chives, right? So you are going to divide into half, divide them by 2. That is 3 by 4 times 1 by 2. That is 3 over 8. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 3 by 8. Option number 2 is the correct option. What quantity of protons would you need to make third of the original recipe? So in the given recipe, 7 over 8 cup of croutons, right? Divided. So it would be 7 over 8 times 1 over 3. Times 1 is 7, 8 times 3 is 24. That is 7 over 24. Option number 1 is the correct option. The quantity of yogurt covered blueberries would you need to make a half recipe. Third cup, in the original recipe, that is 1 by 3. Divided by the 2, that would be 1 by 3 or 2. So that equals 1 by 6. That means we used 1/6. The correct option is 1 by 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. What quantity of pretzels would you need to make a half recipe? So in the given recipe, it is used 7 by 8. You need to make the half recipe by the 2. 7 over 8 times 1 over 2. It would be 7 over 16. Option number Okay, you can complete the lesson today. So we were working on grade 6 math. Chapter we were working on is divide fraction. Divide fractions and mixed numbers. Divide fractions and mixed numbers word problems. Divide whole numbers by unit fractions using models. Divide fractions by whole numbers in recipes. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write them down in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. More questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.